Hi guys, today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best drone in the market. So if you're planning on buying a drone, you've flown to the right place. Do check out the description below for all the featured products and their buy links. Let's get started. Best overall, DJI Air 2S. The new DJI Air 2S is a sensational camera drone in every aspect, from the quality of its upgraded camera to the plethora of advanced in-flight features. If you're in the market for an affordable compact drone that flies beautifully and shoots new video and pin-sharp stills, we don't think you'll find a more suitable model. At 595 grams, the Air 2S weighs just 25 grams more than the Mavic Air 2, and when folded, its shell is just 3 millimeters taller. The only visible difference is the addition of a new camera and 2 upward-facing sensors. The Air 2S is laden with so many advanced technologies that I'm not sure where to begin, but I'll start with those 2 upward-facing sensors on top of the shell. These 2 little eyes are new additions to the drone's obstacle avoidance armory, so instead of just forward, rearward, and downward-facing sensors, it can now also detect obstacles above. This gives the Air 2S unmatchable poise when it comes to navigating through trees and buildings, especially if the drone's used with the newly upgraded Active Track 4.0 function, DJI's version of the Follow Me principle. The Active Track 4.0 feature is now so well dialed in that it will pretty much predict in which direction you, or any other moving object, are likely to go, even if you try and dart out of frame. Best beginner, DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is an ultra-compact drone that's so small and easy to use that you can slip it out of a jacket pocket and launch it within seconds. That makes it the ideal drone for beginners who want to capture 4K video without some of the high-tech wizardries of the pricier DJI drones that dominate our best drones list. The DJI Mini 2's design is virtually identical to that of the Mavic Mini, but what's seen as a revamp is that controller, which is beautifully streamlined and delivers a boosted experience. The Mavic Mini weighs less than 249 grams. This means it doesn't currently need to be registered with aviation agencies in the US, UK, and Australia, but do check your local laws. It's also worth bearing in mind that UK drone laws changed from the end of December, meaning that it will need to be registered regardless of the weight. That weight is, perhaps, less impressive the second time around. It was the original Mavic Mini that broke this glass ceiling, but we really can't overstate the extent to which the Mini 2's weight makes it convenient on all fronts. The best thing about the new DJI Mini 2 is its controller. Revamped in its entirety, simplicity is the name of the game here. And while it looks less like a transformer given its fewer moving parts, there's still an undeniable Johnny 5-like charm about it. Best budget, Rise Tello. New to drones, no problem. Flying Tello couldn't be easier. Just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls. See the world from the sky, whether you're at a park, in the office, or hanging out at home. And you can always take off and experience the world with exciting new perspectives. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. It has fantastic features for endless enjoyment. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome and complex tricks with just a tap on the screen. Flying has never been so easy and fun. Capture great photos and videos equipped with a high-quality image processor. Tello shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on a social media with your smartphone. Oh, okay, relax. Tello is super safe. Tello's lightweight yet durable design, combined with software and hardware protections, makes it so you can always fly with confidence. Best FPV, DJI FPV. The DJI FPV is an intriguing new breed of drone. FPV drones are fast, fun, and offer the most immersive flying experience possible, thanks to the inclusion of video goggles that give you a bird's eye view of the sky. The trouble is they're usually custom or self-built and not the most accessible drones to fly. Until now. Thanks to DJI, anyone with a fair amount of pocket money to spend can now experience the exciting world of first-person view drones. And the DJI FPV is a massive amount of fun to fly. But how long will the novelty last? And is it as compelling as other drones like the DJI Mavic series? It's certainly a neat consumer-level FPV drone that's easy to fly in the new normal mode and provides an accessible entry point for beginners. More experienced FPV pilots will also appreciate the ability to flex their skills and capture high-quality footage in manual mode. The DJI FPV is mainly aimed at shooting immersive first-person video 4K video, and there is the ability to shoot still images at a basic level, but you certainly shouldn't buy this drone for that reason. The advantage of shooting video with FPV drones is that you can achieve the exhilarating first-person view that almost makes the viewer feel like they're flying. Best Compact, Parrot Anafi. The Anafi is without doubt an impressive drone with crucial features, namely its camera and flight time. That makes it a genuine contender in that gray area between enthusiast and professional. But I can't help but feel let down by some of the Anafi's contradictions. So much thought and work have gone into the R&D to give this drone a market-leading flight time for a model of its size, and a camera that competes with more expensive competitors. But the software doesn't back it up. The HDR feature needs work, the flight stability isn't as precise as I'd hoped, and there seems to be a few bugs here and there that undermine the confidence in the system as a whole. The excellent news for Parrot is that these software hiccups can be ironed out.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.